Good morning, students. Today we will study about the topologies used in feedback amplifier. So we have already studied about the feedback. Uh, so feedback is nothing. It is a part of if the part of output is connected back to the input is known as the feedback. And it is the amplifier whose output is connected back to the input through the feedback. Then that is known as feedback amplifier. So in feedback amplifier, generally we have to connect the part of output to the input of feedback, and the output of feedback network again connected to the input. So generally when the part of output is connected to the input of feedback network, that is known as sampling. And when the output of feedback network is connected to the input, that is known as mixing. So mixing and sampling is done. Sampling is done at the output side of the amplifier, where sampling is done at the input side of the amplifier. So so we have to connect the output of uh, amplifier to the input of feedback, and the output of feedback to the input of amplifier. So in these connections are known as the topology. So there are four types of topologies which can be used in feedback amplifier, and these topologies are known as voltage series feedback, voltage shunt feedback, current series feedback, and current shunt feedback. So as you can see that there are two common words are used in input side as well as in output side. In input side, two common words are used as series or shunt, and output side, two common words are used as voltage or current. So when first part shows of topology, first part is voltage of current. This tells how the output is sampled, and the output of amplifier is voltage sampled in parallel and the current is sampled in series. So first part generally voltage or current. So this first part uh, defines shows that how in which form of energy is sampled from output to the feedback network. That energy may be in form of voltage, or that energy may be in form of current. If the energy which is sampled is voltage, then output of amplifier and the feedback network should be connected in parallel. Both should be connected if the energy is sampled in voltage form. But if the energy is sampled in current form, then the output of amplifier should be connected in series with the input of feedback network. So first part defines the voltage of current, means which shows that how we done the sampling. Sampling is done in which form? Either in voltage form or in current form, right? And second part says series or shunt. This tells how the feedback is applied to the input. This shows that how the feedback signal is mixes with the input signal. So if there is series, if series feedback, voltage to be subtracted, and shunt feedback, current which is subtracted. So if the second part shows that series, then input voltage and the feedback signal, input signal and the feedback signal should be uh, connected in the shunt form, right? And if the sorry should be connected in series form. If there is voltage, if there is voltage at the uh, if there is a series at the input side, if there is series, means mixing is done in the series. At the input, if the output size, output the first part voltage, first part of the topology shows about the sampling, and the second part of the topology shows about the mixing. So sampling is done either in voltage form or in current form, whereas the mixing of two signal, which of two signal, feedback signal and the input signal, will be done in series or will be done in shunt. So second part shows that how the feedback signal is mixed with the input signal in the series form or in sample in shunt form, right? So if the we have to mix the voltage we have to mix the voltage, then we have to connect these two signals in series form. And if we have to mix the current, then we have to connect these two signals in parallel form. So again, this voltage refers to connecting the output voltage as the input of feedback network. These things we have already studied. So you can see here that this first diagram, you can see that the first diagram is the voltage series. So this is the input side. Sorry, this is the input side. This is the output side. So here the mixing. This is shown as mixing, right? This is shown as mixing. So in mixing, this is shown at mixing. Input side mixing is done and output side sampling is done. So uh, this is series connection. So we have already said that in series connection, voltage, two signals should be in voltage form. If there is shunt connection, then two signals should be in current form, because सीरीज में वोल्टेज ऐड होते हैं और पैरेलल में करंट ऐड होते हैं. तो ये मिक्सर है, मिक्सर का काम ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है. तो जब दोनों सिग्नल वोल्टेज के फॉर्म में होंगे तो उन्हें हमें सीरीज में कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगे. और जब दोनों सिग्नल करंट के फॉर्म में होंगे तो हमें शंट के फॉर्म में कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगे. तो मिक्सिंग, यदि हमें सेकंड वर्ड जो हमारी टोपोलॉजी है, टोपोलॉजी का सेकंड वर्ड सीरीज और शंट है. सीरीज शो कर रहा है दैट द इनपुट वोल्टेज मिक्सिंग इज डन of the voltage, and shunt shows that mixing is done in the form of current. Whereas series shows that mixing is done in the form of voltage, whereas shunt shows that mixing is done in the form of current. Right? So here this is a series connection. So voltage mixing is done in form of voltage. This is the input voltage and this is the feedback voltage. Input voltage and feedback voltage are mixed at the input. Here the parallel connection, shunt connection. So the input current or feedback current. There is the feedback current and this is the input current are mixed here. And output side sampling is done. So sampling, the first word shows that voltage of current. If the sampling is done of the voltage in the form of voltage, then we have to connect the parallel connection. Amplifier and feedback network should be connected in parallel. Amplifier and feedback connector should be connected in parallel when the sampling is done in the form of voltage. When the sampling is done in the form of current, then amplifier and feedback network should be connected in series, right? Uh, so this is the diagram of voltage series. So here this is the input, this is amplifier, this is the output. So voltage series. So here this is the voltage. So sampling is done in the form of voltage, and we have noted that when the voltage is connected, sampling is done in form of voltage, the output should be connected in parallel form. Amplifier and feedback network should be connected in parallel form. So here we can see that amplifier and feedback network are connected in parallel form, right? So in parallel form. Again, we can see that now the second term, the this is the first term and this is sampling. This is sampling. So sampling done in the voltage. This is known as sampling. The first term is known as sampling. The first term is known as sampling. So sampling is done in for voltage. So when the voltage energy is sampled, then amplifier and feedback network should be connected in shunt form or parallel form. This should be clear. This again, when now this is the second term. Second term shows the mixing. It is shows the mixing. So mixing of what? Mixing of a feedback network, mixing of feedback signal and mixing of input signal. Feedback signal and input signal are mixed here. So here we say the mixing is done in form of series. Mixing is done in form of series. So when the mixing is done in form of series, we have to take the voltage. The signal should be in form of voltage. So here is the feedback signal which is in voltage form, and this is the input signal which is in voltage form. So two voltage source should be connected when the mixing is done in series form. When the mixing is done in parallel form, then these two sources should be in form of current, right? So here VF, this is VS, and this is VI. There VI is equal to when the mixing is done, VI is equal to VS minus VF. So here the mixing is done. This is the mixer which contains two signals, input signals and the feedback signal. So here when the mixing is done, then output of the mixer is the voltage form, and which is Vs minus Vf, which is already we have studied. So this is known as voltage amplifier. This amplifier is known as voltage amplifier because the output is voltage form and the input signal is also in voltage form. Output पे भी हम voltage ले रहे हैं, input पे भी voltage ले रहे हैं, और जो voltage amplifier होगा उसका जो gain होगा, gain that we output voltage upon input voltage. So Vs, right? So यहाँ पे आउटपुट भी हमारा वोल्टेज और इनपुट भी वोल्टेज है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज वोल्टेज एम्पलीफायर. ओके, अगेन अगेन वोल्टेज शंट. नाउ इसके पहले हमने पढ़ा था वोल्टेज सीरीज. नाउ दिस इज वोल्टेज शंट. सो फर्स्ट टर्म is the voltage, so sampling is done in form voltage. So again it is connected in the parallel form, feedback signal and output is connected in parallel form. This is shunt, this is sorry voltage, and this is shunt. Shunt means mixing is done in form of, here the mixing, two signal is mixed in form of shunt. So we have already know that when the two signals will be add only when both signals should be in form of current. Here the mixing of two signals will be done in shunt form only when both signals should be in current. So this will be current, input signal should be current and feedback signal should also be current. Both should be in form of current, right? So here the current, so the output is IF. IF is equal to II is equal to IS minus IF. And this transformer, this amplifier is known as trans resistance amplifier because output gain gain of amplifier is the output upon input, hence the output is voltage and input is current. So V upon I. So gain is form of voltage upon current, hence it is trans resistance amplifier. V upon I क्या होता है? Resistance होता है. That's why it is known as not voltage amplifier, because the voltage amplifier, the output voltage and input voltage should be same. So this is not the voltage amplifier. This is also not as current amplifier because the output upon input both should be in current. So both are not in current. Here the output is voltage and input is current. So since the output is voltage and input is current, that's why it is known as turns resistance amplifier. Okay. Next, third one is current series amplifier. So in current series amplifier, here this is current. So sampling is done. This is the sampling. Sampling is done of current. So if the sampling is done of in form of current, then the feedback network and the uh, amplifier should be connected in series if there is current. So these are the series. This is the series connection, right? And this is the series. Again, input and feedback networks are also mixing is also done in form of series. So we have already stated that when the input is done in form of series, the both signal should be in form of voltage. मतलब feedback signal and the feedback signal and the input signal should be in form of voltage. So feedback signal is the voltage in form of voltage and input signal in form of voltage. So that's why uh, it is known as series current series amplifier, and this is known as transconductance amplifier because gain is the output. Output is current and input is voltage. So I upon V is known as transconductance. Current upon voltage is known as transconductance. So this is known as transconductance amplifier. Again, current shunt feedback. So this is the sampling is current again. So current, if the sampling is done in form of current, the amplifier and the feedback should be connected in series, and this is the shunt connection. So the second word is shunt. So the input and feedback should be connected in shunt, and since it is shunt, so both signal, input and feedback, both signals should be in form of current, right? And since this is output is current and input is current, that's why it is known as current amplifier. That's why it is known as current amplifier, because output is in form of current and input is also in form of current, right? And this is the summary of each topology in voltage series. Gain is decreased. Since negative feedback amplifier is used in each topology, that's why we know that gain of negative feedback amplifier is always decreases. So which either we use the voltage series, current series, current shunt, voltage shunt, the gain in each topology will be decreases because we use the feedback is negative feedback. Again, bandwidth increases. In negative feedback amplifier, the bandwidth always increases. Input resistance increases in voltage series, current series. Input resistance also increasing current series, करंट शंट और वोल्टेज शंट में इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होता है. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता है, यहाँ पे इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होता है, क्योंकि सेकंड वर्ड ये डिफाइन करेगा सेकंड वर्ड्स पे. यदि सेकंड वर्ड आपका सीरीज में है, मतलब दो रेजिस्टेंस आपके सीरीज में कनेक्ट हो रहा है, एक इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस और एक फीडबैक सिग्नल, दो जो सिग्नल है वो आपके सीरीज में कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो सीरीज में हमें मालूम है रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाता है. तो चूंकि वहां पे दो सिग्नल हमारे सीरीज में कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए सीरीज में इनपुट पे दो रेजिस्टेंस हमारे सीरीज में कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे शंट लिखा है, मतलब हमारे दो सिग्नल शंट के फॉर्म में कनेक्ट हो रहा है और शंट में एक रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होता है, तो यहाँ पे इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होगा, राइट. आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ डिक्रीज हो रहा है वोल्टेज सीरीज में, क्योंकि वोल्टेज सीरीज में आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज हो रहा है क्योंकि सैम्पलिंग हो रही है वोल्टेज के फॉर्म में, और जब भी सैम्पलिंग वोल्टेज के फॉर्म में हो रही होती है करते हैं, तो वहां पे कनेक्शन होता है पैरेलल कनेक्शन. आउटपुट फीडबैक एम्पलीफायर का आउटपुट और फीडबैक नेटवर्क दोनों पैरेलल में कनेक्ट होते हैं. तो यहाँ पैरेलल में दो सिग्नल कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए आउटपुट पे पैरेलल में दो सिग्नल कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज होगा. यहाँ लिखा है करंट. करंट का मतलब फीड जो सैम्पलिंग हो रही है वो करंट के फॉर्म में हो रही है, मतलब फीडबैक एम्पलीफायर सॉरी एम्पलीफायर नेटवर्क, एम्पलीफायर और फीडबैक नेटवर्क दोनों हमारे सीरीज में कनेक्ट होंगे, और दोनों सीरीज में कनेक्ट होंगे आउटपुट पे, इसलिए आउटपुट का रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा, राइट. तो डिपेंड करता है कि हमारी जो कनेक्शन है वो सीरीज में या पैरेलल में, जहां भी सीरीज में कनेक्शन होगा वहां पे रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा, चाहे इनपुट रेजिस्टेंस हो या आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस हो, और जहां पे पैरेलल में कनेक्शन होगा वहां पे आउटपुट रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, पैरेलल में रेजिस्टेंस कम हो जाता है, ठीक है। और इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम about this topic and you have any queries about this topic, you may ask your question on the comment box and I will give the answer of each student in the comment box. Okay, thank you.